Welcome to Sapphire Aim Ventures company in Malaysia. Digital marketing AI. Imagine a world where small businesses thrive by harnessing AI. 2025 is the year this becomes reality. AI adoption is at a tipping point, and those who embrace it will lead the charge. AI integration in 2025 is pivotal. It's not just about keeping up, it's about gaining a competitive edge. Businesses that adapt will see transformative growth and efficiency. For those who hesitate, the competitive gap will widen. Non-adopters risk falling behind as AI becomes essential for success. The time to act is now. AI isn't just for tech giants. It's more affordable and user-friendly than ever. Small businesses can leverage AI without massive budgets or technical expertise. AI tools are now accessible to all business sizes. From automating tasks to enhancing customer service, AI is a game changer for small enterprises. Early adopters of AI are already seeing transformative results. Businesses report increased productivity and customer satisfaction, setting them apart from competitors. Case studies reveal small businesses thriving with AI. From personalized marketing to efficient operations, the benefits are clear and compelling. AI can automate routine tasks, saving time and resources. Imagine freeing up your team to focus on strategic priorities instead of mundane chores. Enhance customer service with AI-powered chatbots. They provide 24/7 support, handling inquiries and improving customer satisfaction without human intervention. Personalized marketing efforts for better engagement. AI analyzes data to tailor offerings, increasing conversion rates and customer loyalty. Address common misconceptions about AI costs. Many solutions are affordable, with subscription models that fit small business budgets. Understand the true ROI of AI investments. The benefits far outweigh the costs, with increased efficiency and growth potential. Overcome the fear of job displacement. AI reshapes roles, creating opportunities for employees to focus on higher value work. Identify a single problem to solve with AI. Start small and scale up gradually, using free or low-cost tools to experiment and learn. Utilize AI tools that integrate with your existing systems. This seamless integration makes the transition smoother and more effective. Gradual training is key. Use free resources to educate your team on AI tools, ensuring everyone is comfortable and confident in their use. Partner with AI service providers for additional support. They offer expertise and guidance, helping you maximize the benefits of AI. The divide between AI adopters and non-adopters grows daily. Without AI, businesses miss out on opportunities and efficiencies, risking obsolescence. AI is a necessity for staying competitive in 2025. Embrace it now to ensure your business thrives in the future. Take action today. Explore AI solutions that fit your needs and start reaping the benefits. Your business's future depends on it.